I always thought insurance was pretty boring. At the same time, it was kind of in the back of my mind. Everybody needs car insurance, everybody needs health insurance, but that's, as much as I thought about it.
Not knowing really anything about insurance, I thought it was pretty boring.
Insurance, most people that first get into it, they say they don't know how to spell insurance, it's just not sexy, and after learning a little bit more about it, it's so cool, the people, it's trendy, you're learning about upcoming technologies. It's actually very exciting.
It's a very relevant industry. You're doing things every day that impact people.
You're never bored. Something happens every day. It's not the same thing every day.
It's not a limited profession. There's something that speaks to your individual taste. I feel like there's a lot of room for growth in it, especially being a young professional. The industry just has so much to offer. I feel like you just need to take the time to actually look into it and see that there are things that interest you, even being a young person. It's not just an old person type of thing.
People are always going to need insurance, so there's always a market for a job, which is something that is really important to me being a senior.
At my school, it gets overlooked a little bit. A lot of people are trying to do a bunch of different things, and insurance kind of just gets lost in the wind. But I've met a ton of people at school and back home that have developed unique skill sets that would be perfect for the industry.
Not just risk management majors are applicable for insurance. Any business major, English major, art major, any major is a great major for insurance because insurance is always evolving.
Insurance itself is so general. There's so many different skills that you can have and so many different places you can use those skills that it's not necessarily important to have one specific skill, but once you get into insurance, finding out those skills that you have and it's sort of exciting to find out how you can apply those skills.
I think insurance gives a great direction for someone because there's a lot of different areas you can go and you can try. You're not stuck in insurance. If anything, you have multiple opportunities ahead of you once you're in the insurance industry.
Any major that you might be, there's a position for you in it. It's not a profession just for older individuals. You can be fresh out of college and get your foot in the door.
For people that are interested in technology, who are interested in analysis, human interaction and relationships, all of those opportunities are available in the insurance industry.
There are so many different opportunities. There's underwriting, which is different from marketing, which is different from claims, which is different from human resources and legal. There are so many different facets that combine to make insurance what it is.
You want to be in an industry that helps you grow as a person. You want to go in and find out more about yourself. Make sure that you're always growing in any company, and I feel like insurance definitely does that for you.
You join insurance as your career, as your profession, but in order to do insurance well, you need to learn about all these other companies that we're writing insurance for. You need to understand so much about them that, what we're insuring, all the risks, all the things that you need to properly cover.
We want individuals who want to continue investing in themselves and trying to make themselves the best person that they can be. Because if they can learn and understand and want to learn and understand, that's going to make them such a successful employee, not only to themselves, but for the company.
Younger individuals do have so much to offer and bring to the table, and also a lot to learn. And the insurance companies, especially PHLY, offers different opportunities to grow you as a professional and as a young individual.